As you can see, this is one of my payment accounts that I receive payments in, and I've been able to generate $200 here, $60 here, $400 here, almost $500 here, and just under $100 today. So all of these payments came in the last 5 days, and that adds up to $1,000 in total, and this is still the beginning of this month. Now these payments are coming in every single day like clockwork, and a lot of them have been made just by using my TikTok account. And what I'm gonna do inside this video is show you 2 incredibly simple ways to start making money with your TikTok account, even if you're brand new, and all of this is totally free. So if you're excited to learn these awesome free strategies, then make sure to smash the like button below and subscribe if you're new. Now that we have everything out of the way, let's dive right in. Now, like I said, we're going to be using TikTok using these very 2 simple strategies. Now, the first strategy is going to require you to show your face and record your voice so you can start building your brand. And the second option, the second strategy, does not require you to show your face at all. So both of these are beginner friendly, and I'm going to show you how I've been able to make just over $1,000 in the past 5 days utilizing these strategies. So the first thing we're going to need is to pick a niche. Now guys, there's multiple niches that you can choose from, but what I recommend is go with the niche that you are genuinely interested in and you have some experience in. I personally like to promote affiliate products in the make money online niche because I've been doing affiliate marketing and I've been a full-time digital marketer for the past 3 years now, so I have lots of experience in this niche and I know lots of good products to promote. Now, if someone was to ask me something about digital marketing, I could genuinely help them and answer them. So once again, I want you to pick a niche that you're genuinely interested in and that you have experience in. So you can go with the make money online niche, the health and fitness niche, the keto diet cooking niche. You can go with the relationship and advice niche, the motivational niche. There's so many different options. So let's do the relationship as an example. And by the way, I'm also going to show you where to grab awesome products from that you can monetize your views. So head over to the TikTok search bar and search for a keyword that's in your niche. So if we're going to be doing the relationship niche, you can do something like dating tips, okay? And here you can see all of the videos from different content creators in this niche. So what I would do is I would look at one of these TikTok accounts, and for example, this dude right here is posting relationship dating type content. Now, I'm going to show you a really cool, awesome feature on Google. It's a Chrome extension that's going to allow you to sort these videos by top viewed, all right? So with the most views. And what I would do if I was in the relationship niche, I would copy his highest performing videos. So head over to a new tab and search for sort TikTok, okay? And this is the extension that you can download. It's 100% for free. And let me show you how it works. So find the TikTok account in your niche that way you want to model, and now open the actual extension and click on start. And now this tool is going to sort these videos by highest views to the lowest amount of views. So what I like to do is I like to copy the most popular videos. So as you can see, this one has 3.4 million views, this one has 3.1 million views, 2.6, and so on. So you can open one of these videos and you can see 3 things women are doing wrong with men. And what I would do is I would model this video or copy it, okay? So it's completely up to you, but I would add my personal touch to the video so it's not exactly copied word for word. Now, chances are that if the video went viral for this account, then high chances are that it's also going to perform very well from my account as well, even if you're completely new. Now, even new accounts are getting a lot of views. So if you open a new TikTok account and you have 0 followers, that does not mean that you're not going to get any views. So I personally do TikTok here and there when I have free time. And as you can see, just by doing TikTok 1 or 2 hours per day, I've been able to get about 6,500 followers. And I've made lots of high ticket commissions with this account alone. So I can imagine how much these bigger accounts are really earning. Now, if you don't want to show your face and build your brand, for the long term, you can also create a faceless TikTok account. This is what I like to call them. So these are theme page accounts. So this account, for example, is in the make money online or wealth niche, and they're posting motivational content. So as you can see, Andrew Tate, okay, this is from The Wolf of Wall Street. This is Leo DiCaprio, once again, The Wolf of Wall Street, Bill Gates. So these are all motivational type videos that have been grabbed from YouTube and re-uploaded to TikTok. So this is the second strategy. So you have two options here. So the first option is to build your brand, record your face, and copy bigger accounts in your niche. Or the second option is to build out a theme page just like this by re-uploading videos from YouTube. So I'm going to show you guys how to create videos just like this in this video, so you have content ideas and videos that you can start uploading right after watching this video and monetizing your views. So let's just assume that you're going to be in the wealth niche, okay, the motivational niche. So now you want to open a new tab and search YouTube, and you want to search for let's do motivational videos, okay, hashtag shorts. And when you scroll down, you can see that these are the videos that people are posting on YouTube Shorts. So we can do this one, this account, and when you click on shorts, you can see these are all the different types of shorts that they are posting. So now what you can do is directly click on these videos, okay, and you can download them and re-upload them to your personal TikTok account. Now what I would recommend is finding videos that don't have the watermark or the actual account name in the video. So as you can see, this is Chispa Motivation, and they also have Chispa Motivation in the actual video, and you cannot delete this, okay? You would have to add some type of rectangle or text over it to hide the actual account name. So what I would do is I would search for videos, once again, that do not have the account username on them. So maybe something like this, all right? So as you can see, there is no watermark and no account username on this video. But make sure the video is in the niche. But make sure that the video is in your niche. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time researching the videos. I'm going to leave that up to you, but just click on the video that you want to copy, okay? And click on share. And here is the link. So copy it, open a new tab, and search for youtubeshorts.savetube.me. Paste the video inside here and click on get video. And now you want to download it. All right, so I'm going to click on get link, download, close the ad, and there it is. I'm going to drag it over to my desktop. So now once you have the video downloaded, open a new tab and search for canva.com. This is a free tool that we're going to use to edit the actual video and add our call to action so people can go to our website and purchase a product. I'm going to show you where to find the product in just a few minutes. So search for TikTok video, click on the videos, okay, click on create blank TikTok video. You can close this tab. And as you can see, this is our timeline. And now you can click on uploads, upload your file. Okay, so this one, I'm gonna click it and drag it inside. Okay, I'm gonna pause it, make it fit the screen. And if you wanna really hide the actual account username, you can just, drag the video. Let me show you how to do this. You can make it bigger like this, So now the username isn't visible on screen. Okay.
I think a man should have absolutely no interest in whether he's actually happy or not.
So as you can see, this is a motivational video from Andrew Tate. I'm sure you've heard of him. And what you can do now is at the end of the video, add another video. Okay. So click on plus, add page. And now you can change the background color. Let's just say we can do black. And at the end of this video, you can add a 2-second call or 3-second call to action. Okay, so you can tell viewers what to do next. So you can either tell them to follow for more, for more, like this. You can tell them to like this video, or you can tell them to click on your link in your bio. Link in my bio for my number recommendation to make money. Okay, so click the link in my bio for my #1 recommendation to make money, or you can make money online. Okay, now this applies to accounts that have over 1,000 followers, because as we all know, you cannot post a link in your bio if you do not have 1,000 followers on TikTok. So what you can do now, instead of that, so you can start making money fast right after watching this video, you can type the website name in this call to action. So click, you can do copy this link in your browser. Okay, you can do link here. To start earning online. Okay, you can do something like this, for example, and here you would add your URL. So now to find affiliate products that you want to promote, go over to clickbank.com or Digistore24. These are two very big affiliate networks. I'm sure you guys know and have heard of them in the past, but you can literally find products in any niche out there. So I'm going to log in for you guys and show you how to find a product in your niche. So once you're in the affiliate marketplace, on the left side right here, you can see your niches. Okay, so make sure to choose the niche that you are in. So if we're going to be promoting, if we're going to be posting motivational content and make money online videos, you want to promote a make money online product. Okay, that's going to help people to make money online. So you can do something like betting systems or business and investing, really stuff like that. So I'm going to do e-business and marketing. So let's see what's in this niche. So as you can see on the very first page, you have get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. So this is a offer that's been 12 years on ClickBank. Social media and all MMO traffic, everyone wants to get paid to be on Facebook. So this is a make money online product that pays you $30 per commission. You can view the affiliate page right here. So click on the actual link, and this is the landing page. So this is a short quiz that all of your leads are gonna go through. All right, so they're gonna answer these short questions, and then if they're interested to make money online with Facebook, they're gonna purchase the product and you're gonna make a $30 commission. So this is what I would do. I would promote this product, right? And I'd be uploading these type of videos. So Andrew Tate, motivational, right? So really content that gives tips, valuable information, and then at the end of the video, you can tell people what to do. You can have a call to action. All right, so click the link in my bio, go to this link, copy this link in your browser, and here you would paste the actual landing page link. Now you can also add a tracking ID, so you can do TikTok, so you know where your sales are coming from, and click on generate hop link. So this is your link. And as you can see, it's ugly, it's long, it's way too sloppy, all over the place. So you want to open a new tab and search for tiny URL. Okay, you can click on tiny URL, and now you can paste the link inside this tab, and you can add an alias. So what the actual end link is going to look like. So TikTok 1. All right, so let's see if this is available. This is not available, so you can just add your username. All right, so Damien Belak. All right, and as you can see, this is my URL. So tinyurl.com/DamienBelak. Now you can click on copy, and you can add it inside the call to action on your video. All right, so like this. Now you can make it smaller. You can do like 50. Browser, all right, you can do like this. Copy this link in your browser, all right, to start earning online. And once you get 1,000 followers, you can just add something like click the link in my bio for my #1 recommendation to make money online. So if you have under 1,000 followers, make sure to add the actual link inside the video. And if you have over 1,000 followers, make sure to click the link in my bio. So now that you have a niche, you have a product to promote, and you have content ideas, now it's time for you to take action and take things into your own hands start going out there creating videos and sending traffic to your affiliate links. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found value, then make sure to click the first link below this video and get access to my free affiliate marketing guide that's going to teach you how to go from $0 to $10,000 per month, even as a complete beginner with free traffic. So I'm pretty sure that you're going to absolutely love this free training, so make sure to grab it in the description below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to smash that like button if you haven't done that already, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.